Students, today we will discuss the balancing of disproportionation reaction by ion electron method. But in my last lecture you know about the disproportionation reaction. These are the reaction जिसमें एक ही एटम या एक ही कंपाउंड अंडरगो साइमल्टेनियस ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन, यानी उसी कंपाउंड का ऑक्सीडेशन भी होगा और उसी कंपाउंड का रिडक्शन भी होगा. क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस हम रेडॉक्स की बैलेंसिंग कैसे करेंगे? जस्ट सी आउट. Method we are using ion electron method and the medium is acidic. So just see out. This is the reaction we have written: MnO4 2 negative, 4H positive, giving you thrice MnO4 negative plus MnO2 plus 2H2. The step number 1, write oxidation state of all. चलिए नोट करते हैं बेटा. Oxygen will have the state -2. Mn is a d block metal. I have told you that in case of d block metal आपको oxidation state find out करनी है. तो let it be x. Oxygen is -2 into 4. -H equal to net charge -2. So x comes out to be +6. Means the oxidation state of Mn is +6. This hydrogen will have the state +1. Now this MnO4 negative, oxygen -2. Same Mn we will calculate. X oxygen बेटा -2, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए -8 equal to -1. This will be equal to +7. So Mn will have the state +7. In case of MnO2, again oxygen -2. Mn we have to calculate. X oxygen -2 multiply 2 -4 equal to 0. So x comes Mn +4. And in last oxygen -2, hydrogen +1. Now this is when, before I start this particular balancing, just see out. If in this question medium is not given, suppose, then even we also do the balancing in the acidic medium. Why? Just see out. H positive is given. अगर आपकी रिएक्शन में if your reaction contain H positive, then it is understood that you have to do the balancing in acidic medium. And similarly, if your reaction contain OH negative, then also it is understood you have to do the balancing in basic medium. So this is the fact now. So again we have written the oxidation states of all the elements. Our step number 1 is complete. Step number 2, we have to divide the reaction into oxidation and reduction. Steps are same. Steps में कोई भी difference नहीं है. So I will write oxidation half and I'll write reduction half. So all of you know oxidation जिसमें oxidation state का increase है. So just see Mn +6 से +7 increase हो रही है. ध्यान से देखिए. See Mn +6 से +7 increase है. So this will be MnO4 2 negative से बेटा MnO4 negative. और स्टेट लिखिए बेटा. यहाँ पे स्टेट +6 है Mn की और यहाँ पे स्टेट +7. Now decrease. यही Mn +6 से +4 decrease. So I will write MnO4 2 negative से बेटा MnO2. The state here is +6 and here is +4. बाकी कोई चीज नहीं है. You can see now hydrogen +1, hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, -2 and -2. और किसी में कोई चीज नहीं है. अब जो बाकी चीजें हैं जस्ट लाइक H positive, H2O, इनको नीचे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये ऑटोमेटिकली आएंगे जब हम बैलेंसिंग को करेंगे. So we have divided into two half, reduction and oxidation. Next is beta balance the atom whose oxidation state changes. Just see out. Mn and Mn equal. Mn and Mn equal. Already done. Now add electron equal to difference in oxidation state. Just see out. Number of electrons. Here the state is +6. Here the state is +7. So difference is only of 1 electron. Here the state is +6 +4. The difference is of 2 electron. Clear? Chaliye. Now in oxidation half we have to add the electron on the right hand side. So I will add plus electron. In the reduction we have to add the electron on the left hand side. So what will I do? I will write 2 electrons plus MnO4 2 negative giving you MnO2. Understand now? So this we have done the step number 4. Now step number 5 we have to do according to the medium. I have to balance the charge. since the medium is mentioned and also H positive is given, this is the indication that we are doing the balancing in acidic medium. So for acidic medium balancing of charge, we have to add H positive ion. Remember, एसिडिक मीडियम में चार्ज के लिए क्या ऐड करेंगे? H पॉजिटिव. जस्ट सी आउट नाउ. चार्ज कैलकुलेट करते हैं. MnO4 2 नेगेटिव -2 इक्वल टू, बेटा MnO4 नेगेटिव -1 इलेक्ट्रॉन -1, so -2 equal to -2. Charge is balanced. No need to add H positive on this side. Now here 2 electron means -2. This is -2 equal to 0. So -4 equal to 0. So I have to add 4H positive. Clear? In this case, no need to add anything. So I simply rub out the as it is. I'll write again. MnO4 2 negative giving you MnO4 negative plus electron. Or here I have to add 4H positive. Now remember, these H positive, these are added to the site where there is less charge. This we have discussed earlier also. So less charge, beta, -4 or 0. Just see out 0, -1, -2, -3. So this -4 is the lower value. So I will add H positive toward left hand side. So 2 electron plus 4H positive plus MnO4 2 negative giving you MnO2. So this we have done, point number 5. Now point number 6, or the next step, I have to balance oxygen atom by adding the water molecules. Just see out oxygen 4 and oxygen 4. No need to do anything. Here 4 oxygen on left hand side, 2 on right hand side. So on right hand side कितना oxygen कम है? 2 oxygen are less. So 2 water molecules we have to add. We have to make little more space like that. So 2 electrons plus 4H positive plus MnO4 2 negative giving you MnO2 plus how many water molecules? See out 4 oxygen on this side, 2 on this side. I will add 2H2O. So this oxygen is completed. Now last, balance hydrogen. Here there is no hydrogen, and here 4 hydrogen on the left and 2 2s are 4 on the right hand side. तो मैंने आपको अपने previous lecture में भी कहा था कि ये step in my last 15 year of experience rarely आया है. तो यहाँ पर भी देखो हमें इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. No need of this now. So we will go to the step number 8. Equalize the electron and add the two halves. Equalize means this is 1 electron, this is 2 electron. So multiply this with 2. So this will be multiplied by 2. What I get? Twice MnO4 2 negative giving you twice MnO4 negative plus beta 2 electrons, and this will be as it is. 2 electrons, 4H positive, MnO4 2 negative giving you MnO2 plus 2H2O. Now listen, electron से electron cut, it's the essential condition. Cut हो गया, it's okay. Now what is left? Twice MnO4 2 negative plus 1 MnO4 2 negative. This will be beta 3 MnO4 2 negative plus 4H positive. Clear? On the right hand side we will have twice MnO4 negative plus MnO2 plus 2H2O. Okay? Now in the last we have to check whether the balancing is correct or not. So see out the charge on the left hand side. 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Plus 4 equals to, here 2 into -1 -2, so -6 plus 4 -2 equals to -2. So I can say that the charge on left hand side, this is equal to charge on right hand side. It means our balancing is a correct balancing. So in case of disproportionation reaction, there is no need to worry. Same compound दोनों तरफ आएगा. That doesn't make any difference. We have to perform the same order, same method, same steps. Now we have to do one more balancing of that particular disproportionation reaction. Now we will take basic medium. Now I'll just simply write this will be no in case of acid medium. This we will do in case of basic medium. Just see out. basic medium, and the reaction that will I use is P4 plus OH negative giving you pH3 plus H2 PO2 negative. Understand now? Okay. Now since the medium is already given, अगर medium given नहीं होता, even though we have to do in the basic medium, why? Because OH negative is already mentioned. Okay. Now shall I start? P4, the state is 0, OH negative, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2, pH3, hydrogen plus 1, phosphorus minus 3. Here, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Phosphorus we have to find out. 2 into 1 plus let the state of phosphorus be X. Then oxygen 2 into minus 2. This will be equal to minus 1. So 2 plus X. Oh, H2PO2 negative. It's okay. So 2 plus X, 2 into 2, this will be minus 4 equal to minus 1. So this will be X minus 2 equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 2. So X will be plus 1. Means the state of phosphorus is plus 1. Okay. So we have completed beta step number 1. Step number 2, we have to divide. इसको डिवाइड करना है दो हाफ में, ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन हाफ. सेम on the left hand side I write oxidation half, whereas on the right hand side I add reduction half. Till now you are able to identify what is oxidation and what is reduction. So let's see out किसका state increase हो रहा है. Phosphorus 0 से plus 1 increase. So oxidation will be P4 से बेटा H2 PO2 negative, and the state is 0, and here the state is plus 1. Now decrease 0 से बेटा minus 3. So I will write P4 to PH3. Here the state is 0 and here is minus 3. So clear? This is oxidation and this is reduction. No new thing is there. सिर्फ एक क्या है कि एक ही एटम है जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन भी हो रहा है और रिडक्शन भी हो रहा है, and that is not a big problem for you. Now beneath the atom whose oxidation state changes. Phosphorus 4 है बेटा, यहाँ पे सिंगल है 4 लगा दीजिए, इसी स्टेप पे लगा दीजिए, अलग से पे doesn't make any difference. P4 और ये मैंने 4 लगा दिया. Now add electron equal to difference in oxidation state. चलिए इलेक्ट्रॉन कैलकुलेट करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बेटा 0 से 1 में 1 का डिफरेंस है, and how many atoms? 4 atoms. So 1 into 4 electrons. Reduction half 0 से minus 3 beta, the difference is of 3 electrons, but atoms are 4 into 4, so difference is of 12 electrons. Now you know that in oxidation half electrons are added to right hand side, in reduction they are added to left hand side. So 4 electrons I will add on right hand side. 4 P4 plus 4H2 PO2 negative plus 4 electrons, and here I will add the 12 electron on left hand side. So P4 plus 12 electrons giving you 4pH3. This is clear? Now next is balance the charge, and since we are in basic medium, so we have to add OH negative. For the balancing of charge we will use OH negative, and remember OH negative is added to the site where there is more charge. जहाँ पे चार्ज ज़्यादा होगा वहीं पर हम इसको करेंगे. So this will be now from this side. कैलकुलेट करते हैं चार्ज को. बेटा P4 0 equal to, इस पे -1 है, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे -4 तो 0 -8 OH नेगेटिव हमें ऐड करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे चेक करते हैं. P4 0 है, -12 equal to 0. ठीक है, so डिफरेंस 0 minus 12 equal to 0, so I have to add 12 OH negative. Now OH negative is added to the side where there is a more charge. अब ये देखिए बेटा, 0 बड़ा है माइनस 8 बड़ा है, 0, बिकॉज 0 के नीचे माइनस 8 आएगा, तो OH नेगेटिव वहां पे ऐड करते हैं जहां पे चार्ज ज्यादा हो, तो ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आई विल ऐड 8 OH नेगेटिव. सो P4 plus 8 OH negative giving you H4H2 PO2 negative plus 4 electrons. Clear? Here. अब यहां पे देखिए बेटा, -12 और 0 में बिगर वैल्यू इज 0, so 12 OH negative are added on right hand side. 12 OH negative P4 plus 12 electron giving you 4 PH3 plus 12 OH negative. You can also check, देखिए कि यहाँ पर चार्ज कुछ इक्वल हो गया है, -8 and 4 and 4 minus equal. Same यहाँ पर भी -12 and -12. So charge finished. Now oxygen. For the balancing of oxygen we have to add water molecules. ध्यान से करना है. यहाँ पे कितने ऑक्सीजन है? 8 ऑक्सीजन, और यहाँ पे बेटा 4 2 8 ऑक्सीजन. बैलेंस्ड, कुछ नहीं करना. यहाँ पे कोई ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. यहाँ पे कितने ऑक्सीजन है? 12 ऑक्सीजन. यहाँ पे 0 ऑक्सीजन, तो 12 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इस साइड ऐड करेंगे. कैसे? P4 प्लस 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस 12 H2O गिविंग यू 4 PH3 प्लस 12 OH नेगेटिव. सो दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. चेक भी कर लीजिए, 12 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे और 12 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे. क्लियर? आफ्टर ऑक्सीजन आई हैव टू बैलेंस हाइड्रोजन एटम. सो हाइड्रोजन एटम्स बेटा यहाँ पे देखिए 8 and 4 2 8 ऑलरेडी बैलेंस, जैसा कि मैंने कहा था. और यहाँ पर भी 12 2 24 हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पर भी 4 3 12 and 12 14. तो ये स्टेप आपको रियली करना होगा. आई हैव टोल्ड यू. नाउ लास्ट स्टेप, इक्वलाइज द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड ऐड. इक्वल करने हैं. यहाँ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और यहाँ 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो क्लियर कट इंडिकेशन इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. चलिए करते हैं पहले इसी को. सो 3 into P4, 3 P4 plus 3 8s are 24 OH negative, 3 4s are 12 H2 PO2 negative, and 3 4s are 12 electron. This as it is you will add. So this will be beta P4 plus 12 electrons plus 12 H2O giving you 4 PH3 plus 12 OH negative. Now essential condition I have told you कि जो आपके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो कच होने चाहिए. जैसे सी आउट कच हो रहे नहीं हो रहे. 12 electrons, 12 electrons. Any other species that is common? I think so 12 OH negative and 24. So 24 में से 12 कट गए. यहाँ पर कितना बचा बेटा? 12. वाटर नहीं है, जो सिंपली ऐड 3 plus 1 4, 4 P4 plus 12 OH negative plus 12 H2O giving you 12 H2 PO2 negative and 4 PH3. Now before I go to the next one, अगर आपकी पूरी इक्वेशन एक कॉमन नंबर से डिविजिबल है तो हम उसको डिवाइड करते हैं. जैसे देखिए ये 4 12 12 12 और 4, ये सारे 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम नाउ P4 plus 4 1s are 4, 1 is there, then 4 3s are 12, 3 OH negative, then again 4 3s are 12, 3 H2O, 4 3s are 12, 3 H2 PO2 negative, and 4 1s are 4, so 1 PH3. So this is your balanced chemical equation. Clear to all of you now? Now I have to see whether it is correct or not. See the charge on the left hand side. 3 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 3, that is you can say minus 3. Here 3 into minus 1 again minus 3 means the charge on left hand side is equal to charge on right hand side. It means the balancing that we have done is correct balancing. So this we have done the ion electron method in case of disproportionation reaction. Clear? The reaction in which single atom P4 undergo oxidation as well as reduction. Doesn't make any difference. सिर्फ अलग इसलिए कराया कि sometimes the student they are getting confused कि in case of disproportionation reaction how can we perform the balancing. So first step you have to do carefully. The same atom it comes on the oxidation half as well as on the reduction half. Secondly जो बची हुई चीजें हैं उनको नीचे उतारने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे OH नेगेटिव था हमने इसको नीचे नहीं लिया. Clear to all of you? And one more thing, OH negative is mentioned. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं हो कि बेसिक मीडियम है, even though the reaction carries in basic medium. So this is all about that's all.